iPhone running out of space? iCloud too limited or slow? Try Google Drive. It lets you back up and access files anytime. In this video, you'll learn how to back up your iPhone to Google Drive and restore it with ease. Part 1. Why back up iPhone using Google Drive? Precise backup. Backs up iPhone contacts, calendar, photos, and videos. Easy access. View content on any device via app or browser. Cross-platform. Supports iPhone to Android transfer. Extra features. Offers cloud backup and private link sharing. Part 2. How to back up iPhone using Google Drive on iPhone. Install Google Drive from the App Store. Open it and sign into your Google account. Tap the menu icon top left. Settings. Backup. Enable toggles for contacts, calendar, and photos and videos. Tap Start Backup to upload data. Part 3. How to back up iPhone to Google Drive with Files app. Open the Files app. Tap the three dots top right. Edit. Enable Google Drive under Locations and sign in if needed. Tap Done. Find the files to back up. Long press the files. Copy. Go to Google Drive. Long press empty space. Paste. Part 4. How to back up iPhone to Google Photos. Photos and videos. Launch the Google Photos app on your iPhone. Hit your profile picture at the top right corner and choose Google Photos settings. Press Backup and Sync. Turn on the switch for Backup and Sync. Part 5. How to back up iPhone to Google Drive on computer. Would you like to back up your iPhone on Google Drive without Wi-Fi flexibly? Try Mobikin Assistant for iOS, Win, and Mac. This program is a powerful Apple helper that can safeguard your iOS data and backups. Step 1. Install Assistant for iOS on your computer. After you download it, connect your iPhone to the computer with a USB cable and run the program. Afterward, follow the simple instructions to get your device identified. Step 2. Select the data types you want from the left sidebar of the interface. Then preview and pick detailed items on the right before clicking Export to save them on this computer. Step 3. Sign into Google Drive with your Google account credentials. Next, click New at the upper left corner and choose a backup folder to put the stuff in the drive. Alternatively, drag the files in Windows Explorer and drop them on Google Drive's webpage.